there, guys. This is the Musket Shot from Redbeard's Fireworks Showcase. Let's take a look at this. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, welcome to Boom in the Sky. Thanks for coming, guys. Today we're gonna do something fun. I've been wanting to do this. We're in a secret location here in Mexico. Again, it's not really Mexico, but anyway, we are going to use the Redbeard Fireworks Showcase Musket Shot to shoot off a bunch of fireworks. So we're gonna do some mortars, and then we're gonna remove these, take the middle shot out, the middle wood out, and we're gonna shoot off a couple cakes. So anyway, that's the Redbeard Musket Shot. If you wanna get one for yourself, I'll link that in the description below. You can also save a couple bucks. I've got a code for you guys to use. Again, this is the Redbeard Fireworks Showcase. This is the Musket Shot. So we're gonna shoot a bunch of mortars. We're gonna do some comparison videos for the different mortars. I've got a whole bunch of mortars that I've been wanting to shoot and do comparisons, so we're gonna do that. But without further ado, this is the Musket Shot by Redbeard's Fireworks Showcase. Let's check it out right here on Boom in the Sky. Sorry for the birds. Okay, these are XCal shells. Next up are 3 Hellcat cans from Spirit of 76. Number 2. Number 3. Next up is the Mega Banger Exterminator shells. 3 shells. Numbers 1, 2, and 3. Jumbo Silver Chrysanthemum, Lemon Peony, and Brocade Silver to Blue. Okay, number 2. Okay, these are the Triumph shells from Red Apple, number 2, 6, and one other one. Next up, we're going to do the Four Season Fireworks Zombie shells from 2019. Number 3. Next up will be the Four Season Fireworks Mega Mine shells from maybe 2019. Okay, we've got the Chroma shells from the White Box 2020. Numbers 6, 13, and 19. Neon Blue Dahlia to White Blossom, Massive Willow with Crackling, and Neon Red Palm with Golden Glitter. Number 13. Number 19. Okay, those are the Chroma shells. Next up, we're going to do the Raccoon Nishiki Willow. We have Nishiki Willow with green and just a Nishiki Willow. We'll do the green first. Nishiki Willow with green. Raccoon Fireworks. Now just the Nishiki Willow. Next we're going to do Dogs Won't Stop Barking from, I don't know, 2019. Brocade Crown and Red. There it is. You can see that. We're going to do 2 death shells. These are the last 2 I think I have. Numbers 7 and 10. There they are. Number 10 is next. Wow. Okay. Numbers 4 and 6 of the Geisha shells. Pagoda from Red Apple Fireworks. Number 4 is a Platinum Willow with red apple blossom. And number 6 is a Platinum Willow with golden strobe. Oh, I think 6 went first. Yep, that was 6. This is number 4, last shell. Sky. This is Redbeard's Fireworks Showcase. This is one of the tubes. We've got some tubes over here. You can shoot some 200-gram cakes in it, and you've got tubes. You can make it into a 6-shot mortar rack. So we're going to shoot this one off. I'm shooting a crackle cake from Pro Ox. So let's see how this one goes. Okay guys, thanks for coming to the channel. Thanks for coming to Boom in the Sky. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We shot off like 12 or 15 different mortars. We shot off a whole bunch of different things. We shot off the Excalibur shells. We shot off some stuff from the Spirit of 76 Sky Bacon brand. We shot off a couple things from Red Apple Fireworks as well. We shot the Chroma shells in the white box from 2020. We shot the Geisha shells, which are a big brocade. Those were, I think, the last ones we shot. I did throw in a couple old shells that I had. I had 2 death shells and 1 dog won't stop barking. Actually, the last time I shot both of those shells, I believe it was right here. So anyway, we shot a whole bunch of stuff, so check out all those videos. I'll link a bunch of them in the description. Stay tuned if I haven't posted them yet. So anyway, so we're gonna do some comparison videos and see which one you guys like the best. Of course, if you like this video, definitely drop a comment down below, smash that like button, and of course subscribe. We've got the 4th of July coming up. I cannot wait. Should be great. I'm doing, again, 9 pallets. We've got mortars. I can hopefully build some more mortars as well, so we have even more. I've got some fan slices. I've got some single shots I'm gonna try to screw around with that I haven't tried yet. So anyway, thanks again for coming to the channel. Thanks again for coming to Boom in the Sky. Like I always say, make it beautiful and make it loud. Thanks, guys.